So first, what I said here, JFET characteristics and parameters. So here, this JFET is nothing but a voltage controlled constant current source. Now, this diagram which showing here, we are having some three like three cases will be there. One is like we can keep the VGS as fixed. That is the voltage applying gate and source will be fixed. Then VDD will be vary. Next, you can keep the VDD as fixed. VGS will be vary. Next, third case is both will be vary. Now here, first case, what you're doing, we're applying here VGS is equal to 0. So when the VGS is equal to 0, at the same time, even we're making VDD also will be 0 initially. The VGS also 0, VD also 0. If there is no input voltage, then the device will not be turned on. If the device is not turned on, then there will not be any current also. So when VGS is equal to 0, then what will happen? The ID will be 0, then VDS also will be 0. So that is what here we return here. So the condition will be VGS is equal to 0 and VDD is equal to 0. Then ID will be is equal to 0. At the same time, the voltage across the drain and the sources, that is VDS also will be 0. So now the second diagram we are showing, that is nothing but the case 2, right? So in the second, what I'm doing here, same, again, VGS is equal to 0 volt only, right? As we said, VGS, there is a gate terminal, this is drain, this is source. Now what happened? The VD we are changing means VDD. Otherwise, sometimes we may think what is VDD? VDD, otherwise I can call it as VDS. Why we are saying VDS in the sense, it is like this is something but it's connected between the drain terminal and the source. The source is connected to ground, even this also is connected to ground. So VDS is nothing but what I can say, simple, it's a voltage across drain and the source terminal. That is VD minus VS. But as we know that the VS is connected ground. So it is nothing but what? VD minus 0. So it is nothing but VD. That is the voltage is nothing but this is the voltage at this point. Which point? This point only. I can say it is nothing but a VD, or I can call this VDS also. See here, we are showing with the red color, see pink color. It is VDS is slowly we are increasing little bit. So simple, I can say the VDS is here. I will write the VDS is greater than 0. You see the condition. Okay, here VGS is equal to 0. Okay, VGS is equal to 0, where the VDS is greater than 0. If the VDS is greater than 0 here at this point, if we increase this, what will happen? Then the current, the ID will increase. The ID current will get increased. You see this. So that is what here we say. So ID will be increased proportionality with VDS in the ohmic region. So simple, I can say the VDS is directly proportional to ID. How much the VD you are increasing, so that much the current also will be increasing. That is nothing but a ohmic region, or I can say linear region. The current will flow. ID also will get increases, right? So like you can say, next thing is here we need to know something like a ohmic region. As I said, the ohmic region. Now, what is the ohmic region? It's like the ohmic region is nothing but when the VGS is equal to 0, the depletion layer of the channel is very, very small. And the JFET will act like a voltage control resistor. See, that is why I said very important here. VGS is equal to 0, the depletion layer of the channel is very small here. The depletion channel is be very, very small. If the channel is very, very small in the sense, then what will happen? It's like a voltage control resistance actually. Why? Because here this will act as like a resistor. This will like a resistor only in the ohmic region. That is why you can call ohmic means sometimes I can call this otherwise called as linear region. Why we are saying linear region means the characteristics of resistance is linear. So only we are telling it's a linear region. Next is like we need to increase still the VDS. Okay. So what we will do? Let us apply the voltage between drain and source. The VDS is increasing, then current flow ID also will be increases from source to drain. Okay, so now, so that will increase the current in linear up to certain point A, now the knee voltage. Okay, now I'll show something, one more thing, like the diagram. Now you can see the next, again still, what have you done here? Again still we done, this is nothing but gate, this will be your drain, this will be a source. So again still VGS is equal to 0. Okay. Now VDD. VDD is greater than 0 only. Okay. It is starting increasing. VDD means, or I can say VDS. VDS is greater than or equal to VP. Here we should know what is VP. So remember, as you are increasing the drain voltage, that is the meaning of VDS, right? This voltage is nothing but what? This voltage is nothing but a drain voltage actually. If you keep on increasing the drain voltage, what will happen? Here the potential at the source terminal is very less, but the potential will be more in the drain region. I hope you understood. So if the potential is more in the sense, automatically what will happen, the depletion region, like it will be more in the drain region than the source region. Automatically one particular time, what will happen, keep on increasing this VD, then the channel will be pinched off. The channel will be pinched off in the sun. So let me show a simple diagram like this is nothing but a cross section view. Okay, this is your P, this is your P, this will be your channel. This is the channel, like this will be your gate, this will be your drain, this will be your source. Okay, as I said, the depletion rate, how it will be in the sense like your VD is greater than 0. You are increasing, right? Next, the source is connected to ground. What about gate? Gate also is connected to ground. So now this is a substrate. Even the substrate also is connected to ground. Now you can see if this VD is greater than 0, so you are increasing more and more. You are giving more and more positive voltage to the gate. What will happen at a time? Your like this will come. So the depletion region, no? So the depletion region will be like this. If you are having like this depletion region, then automatically what happen, your channel will become as, instead of linear channel, the channel will become as like this. It will have like this. What will happen? Then it will have only, there is a small place. Only they'll have the small place like here, the current will flow, small leakage current only. That is why I can say when VDS is equal to VP, the VP is nothing but I can say it's a pinch of voltage. Then at that time, what will happen? Only small gap will be there. So what will happen? The current will flow constantly, the current will flow. Right. So from this condition, I can say the ID is constant and equal to IDSS. So I can write as here ID is equal to IDSS. That is the constant current source. When it will be this, then VDD is equal to VP. That is pinch off voltage. So you may think, where is the pinch off voltage? Simple. Okay. Example, if I want to say, you consider the VD is equal to 5 volt. Your pinch off voltage is nothing but you consider as 4.3 volt. Means when the VD it's greater than or equal to VP, then your drain current, that is ID, will be as IDSS. Up to that, when your VD is less than VP, okay, which of less than VP, at that time, what will happen? The ID current will be increases constantly. In the sense, ID current will be increases exponentially. This is what the simple way I can say in this diagram. Again, we are having the one more case here, the diagram. That is that. See here, in this case, still as the VDS is increases. This is gate. This will be a drain. This will be your source. Now, what happened? Your VDD is greater than VP. Okay, that is the meaning of that. Or I can say VDS is greater than VP. See here, we are showing, see, more, it's increasing. What will happen? The current also will be increases. So as the VDS is increases further, the ID will be remains constant only. So ID will be is equal to IDSS. After some time, it will go for the breakdown will get occurs. So this is the cases we can. So from this, I can say in this three levels of operations are there. One is I can say like a cutoff. Second one is nothing but a linear. The third one is nothing but saturation region. So these three regions, your JFET will work. So when it will work the cutoff region in the sense when your VG is greater than 0, then it will be in the cutoff region. Then here, when VG is less than 0, means are equal to 0, okay, less than or equal to 0, then at the time what will happen? I will get, you should think your ID will be increases gradually. Here also VG is less than or equal to 0, but ID will be constant. Saturation means it will be constant. So these are the things. VP is nothing but a pinch of voltage. So the pinch of voltage will be called as like, I will say, what is the pinch of voltage? It is like see, this is the gate terminal will be under the reverse bias condition as the IDs increases. The depletion ratio regions will become narrow. So this narrowing is unequal in the length, making this region come closer and drain and further at drain, which leads to pinch of voltage. So the pinch of voltage will be defined as this is what the pinch of voltage is defined as the minimum drain to source voltage, where the drain current approaches to a constant value saturation. That is only we can call as pinch of voltage. That is only we can call as BP, we are saying.